I'm here with my son. We're doing a little POV driving. Of course, we're in the M5. It's modified, underdrive pulleys, Duane intake, tube exhaust, stage 3 tune, big brakes, all the commodities that you can possibly put on this, less than a supercharger. So here we go. We're just gonna showboat a little bit, not too much. 7,000 shift. 7,000 shift. Yes, Papa. 6.5. 5th gear. A little bit of traffic. It's a Sunday morning. It is June 9th. We went out to a birthday breakfast. I turned 42 today. Yes, Tyler. Yes, we will go to the park. You know we're filming, right, for YouTube? Yeah, Baba. So right here, we also have Duane monoballs, lower control arms, and we have brand new thrust arms for the front suspension. It handles like it's a raped ape on rails. We're gonna go back to 2nd gear. We have a slow Camry in front of us, that's fine. A little bit of sun glare, not too much. We're gonna put it into M mode. So we'll get the full grunt of this. Here we go. 7,500 RPM, still going. 7,500 RPM, 120, 130, shift, 140, and we'll slow it down. We don't want to scare too many people. 6th gear, calm her down. There's a lot of highway patrol on this, and that's really all I wanted to do. Get it back over here. We just wanted to film a little POV. Because I always do these in one take. I don't edit anything, and this is, I kind of wanted to just show you what this car's all about. All right, thank you. Signing out.